Here we have a matching question that's based on the things that we had learned recently in the previous videos. Here the first one is 35, second is 15, 16, 20, 25, multiple of 8, multiple of 7, multiple of 70. You're watching here, right? I hope you have a good concept of multiple and factors. You know already that multiples is multiple of 8 means like those numbers which are divisible by 8, and factor of 30 means those numbers uh, which can divide this 30, and multiple of 8 means those numbers which this 8 divides in without any remainder. 8 divides those numbers. Those multiple of 8 are those are the actually multiple of 8 which are exactly divisible by 8. And 30, factor of 30 means those numbers which exactly can divide this 30. So if you see here 35, so 35 is actually the multiple of 7, because if you multiply this 7 into 5 times, you'll get 35. So 35 is actually the fifth multiple of 7. So multiple of 7, and 35 is the fifth multiple of 7. All right, and now 15. So 15 factor of 30, right? Because 30 can be divided by 15 without any remainder. Like, see, if you see 30 can be divided by 15 in 2 times, there is no remainder. In this time remainder is 0, so that's why 15 is the factor of 30. Another one, 16. Yeah, multiple of 8. 8, like 8 can divide this 16 without any remainder. Or you can say if you just multiply 8 2 times, you'll get 16. So 16 is actually the second multiple of 8. All right, 16 is second multiple of 8. If you divide this 8 2 times, you'll get second time you'll get 16. 8 times 2, that's 16. And now 20. 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. Yeah, itself, the 20 is the factor of itself, because 20 can be divided by the 20 itself, and you'll get the 1. And you know that all numbers are the factor of itself, not only 20. If there is anything, so 20 is itself the factor of 20. Now another is 25. Yes, that's it, factor of 50, because 50 can be divided by 25 without any remainder, right? 50 can be divided by 25 without any remainder, and you'll get here 2, right? So 25 is the factor of 50. Which one is left? Yeah, the guy get left. Multiple of 70. By the way, I'll tell you multiple of 70. Like 70 times 1, that is 70. 70 is the first multiple of 70. Similarly, 70 times 2, that is 140. So 140 is the second multiple of 70. Similarly, 70 times 3, that is 210. So 210 is the third multiple of 70. Similarly, 70 times 4. You just have to write the table of 7 and just put the 00 over there, right? I hope you understand this, how to match the following. You need to see the left hand side as well as the right hand side, and what is the factors and multiples. Keep in mind, once again I'm revising, factors are those numbers, those numbers like factors of 50 are those numbers which can divide this 50, which can divide. Factors means which can divide. Those numbers which can divide, without any remainder should be 0. And multiple means those numbers, multiple of 8 means to which it can divide, the given number it can divide, to which it can divide, those numbers to which it can divide without any remainder should be 0 again. All right, I hope you got it. I'll be doing more problems that will give you more concepts of multiples and factors, and many things we need to learn, and we'll be learning, keep on learning. I think probably the next hour video series will be on divisibility test, and you'll be able to separate easily, or easily you can predict after that the given number is going to be divided by which number, is divisible by which number, or which digit, whether it is divisible by 2, 3, 5, or 6, or 9, or 8, or 10, or 11, like that. All right, catch you in the next video. Goodbye.